Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Instagram from your Facebook account. Now, either open up the Facebook or Instagram apps. You can do it on either one, and I'm going to show you how to do it in both. Now, let's first just start off with Facebook. You can tap on the menu button at the very bottom right here. You can see it. Keep in mind, if you don't see it at the bottom right, it might be at the top right for you. After you've done that, let's scroll down to get to your settings. We're going to choose this settings and privacy, open it up, and then at the very top is settings. Now within the settings is the Meta account center, where all of your accounts are linked that are owned by Meta in Instagram and Facebook. So we're going to hit the see more in account center. Now if you're in Instagram instead, I'll walk you through how to do that. From Instagram, you're going to tap on the profile at the very bottom right here. And then you'll be able to see at the top right are those three lines. Just tap on those. And same as before, the account center. From here, it should look the exact same on Instagram or Facebook. Again, you can remove them or unlink them on either one. Now, after we've done that, we can scroll to the bottom to accounts here. And you'll be able to see I can remove Instagram. So just tap on Instagram and remove. And then hit remove. Keep in mind, you can do the same thing for Facebook after you remove Instagram. Just hit the continue button. And now you can see, yes, finish removing. And again, go through this process for both Instagram as well as Facebook, and you will have unlinked them.